Hi, I'm Andy,
I'm Lorenzo.
and we are Brazil.
Brazil.
So going on Shark Tank today. Super excited to see if we can get an investor, get some money.
We will get an investor.
Yeah.
We will.
Hmm.
Man, all these countries are trash. I know. I need somewhere to finally make an investment with my money.
Couldn't agree more. Let's see what these new guys come up with.
Hope we find a good one.
Our first judge is Joey Dalla Dalla, the multimillionaire mogul and owner of Starbucks. Our second judge, Mr. Adam Powers, is the CEO and founder of Tesla. Our final judge, Mr. Bling, CEO of Micron.
Hey Sharks, my name is Lorenzo, and this is my buddy Andy. Today, we're going to tell you why Brazil is the place to be for your business.
That's right, Lorenzo. Brazil is more than just a place for samba and soccer. It's also a place for opportunity and growth.
Absolutely. Let's start with the basics. Brazil's home to over 217 million people, making it the second largest consumer market in all of the Americas.
And with 62% of Brazilians under 29, there's a whole lot of spending power to go around.
Plus, Brazil is undergoing some exciting tax reforms that's going to make it even easier for you to do business in the country. We're talking about capping the tax rate at 17% and simplifying the overall system entirely.
And let's not forget about the trade agreements. Brazil is part of the Mercosur trade bloc and the BRICS trade alliance, which means businesses can enjoy tariff-free imports and exports in some key markets.
When it comes to foreign investment, Brazil's open for business. In 2022 alone, foreign direct investment totaled over $91.5 billion.
That's right, Lorenzo. And with our reliable infrastructure, including modern roadways, airports, and seaports, getting your goods from point A all the way over to point B has never been easier.
So if you're looking for a place to grow your business and tap into a vibrant market, look no further than Brazil.
That's a wrap. We'd love to hear what you Sharks have to say about investing in our wonderful nation.
Thank you for that, gentlemen. But let me just say, you guys have some unrealistic expectations. With that being said, I believe you guys have the right intentions here. But I have a lot of concerns, a lot of them, about the political division in Brazil and regulatory risks for Starbucks. You know, with the recent political protests and presidential controversies, I have concerns about my ability to connect with politically divided stakeholder base. Also, engaging with local government representatives is crucial to minimizing risk and ensuring business continuity. With all the political issues in Brazil, how can I know that my investments will be safe here if I were to open stores there?
Mr. Dalla Dalla, I completely understand your concern, but I must say investing in Starbucks stores in Brazil is still a sound decision despite all that highly publicized political volatility stuff. The continued success of thriving companies like Magazine Luiza and PagSeguro underscores the resilience of Brazil's market, and it shows that investments can thrive amidst the political challenges that we faced.
Absolutely. And I can assure you that the political divide has not had an effect on our people's love for coffee. You will have no problem serving coffee to all types of customers with all types of political backgrounds.
Very interesting. Let's see what the other sharks have to say.
I really love the enthusiasm with your guys' pitch, but entering a new market like Brazil can be a tricky endeavor, especially for a business like Tesla. So here's what I'm wondering. In Brazil, bribery and kickbacks are unfortunately very common, and they are especially common in sectors like infrastructure and construction. And Tesla might encounter some of these demands for bribes or facilitation payments when setting up in Brazil. How do you guys expect to combat those issues?
Great question, Adam. Yes, Brazil does have a bit of a corruption problem. However, there are major steps in place that aim to lower that corruption. The CGU, for example, which is their Office of Comptroller Generals, has recovered and prevented theft of over 30 billion reals since 2019. Crime in general is steadily decreasing in Brazil, pointing towards a bright future.
While I really appreciate your guys' response and investigating the corruption in Brazil, I still do have worries that the corruption in Brazil would ultimately be a problem for my business. And sadly, for that reason, I'm out.
Yeah, all right. Whatever. Anyone else have something you want to say?
That leaves you, Mr. Bling. How do you feel about investing in Brazil?
Lorenzo, Andy, man, I just don't see how this is going to work. I feel like you guys didn't take in all the economic challenges into consideration. There are huge income disparities there. There's been some recent recessions, and I'm not sure how I feel about the tax system. I feel like there's too much risk. And at the end of the day, I'm Mr. Bling. I'm here to make money. How can you ensure that Brazil's economy is stable enough for me to invest in?
Mr. Bling, I get your concerns about investing in Brazil. I do. But I really don't think that these economic issues will keep you from making a profit with your greenfield investment. Income disparities do exist, but Brazil's GDP per capita has been gradually increasing over the years, suggesting a growing consumer base. Additionally, Brazil has experienced periods of economic growth despite recent recessions, with FDI inflows reaching $50 billion in 2021. In regards to the tax system, although complex, reforms are underway to simplify and reduce the tax burden for businesses.
Yeah, man, that's right. All these factors, along with Brazil's host country benefits, like a large consumer market and abundant natural resources, show that with careful consideration and strategic planning, investing in Brazil can yield significant returns.
I definitely understand that there's some potential there, but I'm just not sold. For that reason, I'm out.
You know what, guys? I really like the way you guys sold that pitch. Honestly, I've thought about it after listening to other sharks, and I would love to open a franchise in your country. Starbucks would be great in your country, I'm telling you. I'm offering a $2 million investment to open stores in Rio de Janeiro. How does that sound?
How about $3 million?
No.
Can we talk about it over there?
Yeah, go outside and talk.
Dude, we really need that money, man. Like, we gotta do this.
It's not the amount we wanted.
Yeah, but bro, it's $2 million. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Mr. Deladala, we got a deal, man.
Perfect. You guys made the right choice.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you, man.
Congratulations.
I'm excited.
Congratulations, fellas. Hey, let's go to this French bistro place downtown to go celebrate.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah.